Hello student. Now next point, mammary gland. MAMMARY. Mamma. MAMMA. Mamma means breast. Greek words mamma, breast. BREAST, breast. Mammary ग्लैंड. ग्लैंड में तीन टाइप, एक्सोक्राइन, हेटेरोक्राइन एंड एंडोक्राइन. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड क्या है? एंडोक्राइन. हेटेरोक्राइन, एक्सोक्राइन एज वेल एज एंडोक्राइन, बोथ द फंक्शन एंडोक्राइन एज वेल एज एक्सोक्राइन. एंड एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड, इट इज एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड. मेमोरी ग्लैंड, एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड. Mamma, breast, Greek words. Location, it is rounded. This rounded structure present on thoracic cavity, anterior part of thoracic cavity. Body is divided into head, neck, thorax, abdomen. और जिसे टेल है वो टेल. ये बॉडी के पार्ट. एंटीरियर पार्ट, थोरेसिक का एंटीरियर पार्ट जो है इसके ऊपर ऑन द एंटीरियर पार्ट वन राउंडेड बॉडी. दिस राउंडेड बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड मेमोरी ग्लैंड. इसका लोकेशन है कहां पे? थोरेसिक केज इज मेड अप ऑफ 24 मींस राइट साइड 12, लेफ्ट साइड 12 plus 12 24 ribs. On the right side and left side two exocrine gland. This exocrine gland called mammary gland. This gland present on two ribs number 2 and ribs number 6. This gland present on ribs 2nd and 6 number ribs, front of thoracic cavity. इसका लोकेशन. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर रिब्स, नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दिस नेक्स्ट पार्ट कॉल्ड पेक्टोरल मसल्स. मसल्स, देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ मसल्स: स्ट्राइटेड मसल्स, नॉन स्ट्राइटेड मसल्स एंड कार्डियक मसल्स. ये जो पेक्टोरल गडल में मसल्स रहते हैं उसके आगे क्या है? राउंडेड बॉडी और ग्लैंड. रिब्स, नेक्स्ट पार्ट पेक्टोरल मसल्स. On the pectoral muscles, this gland present on front side of thorax. Next, this gland suspensory attached internally. This suspensory attached internally. Ligaments means suspensory ligaments. Ligaments, ये जो पिन्ना बनता है PINNA, एक्सटर्नल ईयर इज मेड अप ऑफ कार्टिलेज, हाइलाइन कार्टिलेज, फाइब्रस कार्टिलेज, लिगामेंट्स. ये लिगामेंट से अटैच रहता है. दिस आर कॉल्ड सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट. बिलो द सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट adipose tissue. Below the ligament, adipose tissue or fatty tissue. In a fatty tissue, next part of mammary gland, it is 15 to 20 number of lobules. 1, 2, 3, 15 to 20. Number of means 20 lobules. Sinus, duct. This is duct, lobules, sinus called alveolar lobules. This duct present in fatty tissue or fatty region. How many? 1 to 20 means 15 to 20 duct like part called alveolar lobules. This alveolar lobules, next part called duct, D-U-C-T, duct called alveolar duct or lactiferous duct. Lactiferous, name of the lactiferous means at the time of puberty means at the time of secretion of estrogen, progesterone and lactotrophic hormone, that time these mammary gland well developed. Means at the time of secondary sexual character develop, that time these gland infunctionable. Now next, this total glands arising near about front of breast. This part called, this is a single opening called breast or nipple. Breast or nipple. Near the nipple, rounded dark skin. Near the nipple, rounded dark skin called areola. This part present near the nipple or present near the opening. This next point is structure of sperm. Structure of male gametes. It is elongated, microscopic, motile structure. It consists of 4 parts. First part head, second part neck, third part body or middle piece, and last part tail. It consists of 3 or 4 parts: head, neck, body and tail. Head, it is oval in shape. Head, it is oval, egg shape. It is oval in shape. It contains centrally haploid type of nucleus. Above the nucleus, one sinus, one pouch-like part. This is sinus, pouch-like part called acrosome. This part present on above side of the nucleus. This part called acrosome. Acrosome contain hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolytic enzyme. This hydrolytic enzyme helps in penetration of or decomposition of external layer of female ova. Function of this hydrolytic enzyme. Now next part, below the neck, posterior side of the neck, 2 organelle. These 2 organelle, first organelle called proximal anterior side, proximal centriole. Below the proximal centriole, second centriole, this is second centriole called distal centriole. This proximal centriole and distal centriole, 2 centriole present in posterior side of neck. This part called neck. Second part called neck. This centriole helps in cell division, means attachment of a chromosome. this what is the function of centriole, proximal centriole and distal centriole. At the time of cell division, that time these centrioles helps in attachment of chromosome. Now next part below the neck region. Next part called main piece or body. In body, thread like 10 to 14 spirally coiled structure. This structure called axial filaments. Axial filaments present inside the main piece or body. On the axial filaments, on the spiralical filaments, a part of or particles of next organelle. This is next organelle called mitochondria. Mitochondria present on filaments, thread-like body. Mitochondria helps in production of energy. It is helps in locomotion of sperm or migration of sperm. Energy production, it is the function of mitochondria. Now next point, fourth number point called, it is elongated cylindrical part called tail. Tail contain filamentous thread, axial filament. Neck contain axial filaments. Neck contain cytoplasm. Neck contain plasma membrane. External covering of this external covering called plasma membrane. Presence of plasma membrane, this part called main piece. And absent of plasma membrane, this part called end piece. End piece and main piece. It consists of head, neck, main part, main piece, body and tail. It is the part of sperm.